Hi, I'm Sherry Sapedition, and today we're going to read Little Home Bird, published by Child's Play. Little Bird loved his home. Each day, he sat on his favorite branch. He ate his favorite food. Looks like a little berry or cherry. He listened to his favorite music, and he looked out over his favorite view. Thought Little Bird, home. But one day the wind blew, cold, and the leaves started to fall, and Little Bird's big brother wrapped his wings around him. Little Bird, he said, did you know a home can be here or there? It may be near or far, big or small, or even hot or cold. And sometimes you can have two homes, just like us. It's time to fly south to our winter home, where the food is plenty and the wind's breath is warm. Little Bird felt sad at the thought of leaving his home. He would miss sitting on his favorite branch, eating his favorite food, listening to his favorite music, and looking out over his favorite view. But then he had a good idea. He would take all his favorite things with him. Then, wherever he was, it would always feel like home. So you can see he's gathering his stuff. All the birds gathered and their long journey began. Higher, higher, and higher the birds flew, and the little bird followed with all of his favorite things. It's a heavy load to carry. Little Bird tried to follow close to the other birds' tails for fear of getting lost, but soon he had to lessen his load. So with a splish and a splash, his favorite branch found a new home, much to a dog's delight. And further south, the birds flew. Look at the dog. Dog found the branch. The strong east wind blew and swept Little Bird on his way. So with a whoosh and a swoosh, his favorite music found a new home, much to a shepherd's delight. And further south, the birds flew. The clouds clapped, and with a thunderous roar, sent Little Bird into a spin. So with a rumble and a tumble, his favorite food found a new home, much to the porcupine's delight. And further south, the birds flew. Look, his favorite food landed on the porcupine. After many days and many nights, the birds reached their winter home in the south, where the food was plenty and the wind's breath was warm. Little Bird no longer had his favorite things, but he discovered lots of new favorite things. So bright. And it soon felt like home. So twice each year, along with many other little birds, Little Bird and his family would make the long journey between their two homes. Across oceans they would fly, over mountains and through the desert, with many adventures along the way. So here it shows how they migrate back and forth between these two places. Thank you so much for reading with me.